Choo-choo! Where do you think they're going then? Back to the train station?
Probably.
You think those ships are coming in out there all the way there?
Well, that one, the blue one out there, was sitting there.
Alright, question for you. What's been your favorite part about our trip to Duluth?
Half of it swimming, and then the other half is watching the boats coming in from the ship.
Ooh, the ships down in the canal and swimming are the highlights. Anything else?
The hotel.
And the hotel. What do you like about the hotel?
Sleeping in it.
What do you mean? You were sleeping on me last night. And you had half the bed was full of stuffies, all your stuffed animals. What do you think Nolan's favorite part is if he was here? Where are Nolan and Mom right now?
Getting ice cream for us.
Yep. And then what do you think his favorite thing is? If you were to guess, if Nolan were here, if you were to say, Nolan, what's your favorite part? What do you think he would say?
I think you would say swimming.
Swimming too? You guys like swimming. Do you think he likes sleeping in the hotel?
Maybe a little bit.
Mom! Let's go see if we can find her. I heard her. Mom!
What?
We just saw the train go by.
Okay, I think it's down over here though.
Do we really need ice cream? Do you really need ice cream, or should we wait till tonight?
Mom, you see the choo-choo train? Mom! Mom! You see the choo-choo train? We just got light on the track. Mom, the choo-choo train just comes right by us. It's super noisy.
Okay. Do we need it, or?